Right, so this is the website that Adil helped us build. Adil helped us with everything from start to finish. So both with the layout of the website, like what should we have at the top, when should we have our testimonials, when should we have the explanation of the services, reviews. So everything from the wireframe to the actual design and building of the website, Adil took care of it from start to finish. He was also very helpful with technical fixes. So this revenue counter, for example, he built that from the ground up, and it's working very nice. So not only good design, but also good with the coding. Was very helpful. In the beginning, this was just a square block of testimonials, and we were very firm that we wanted this special geometric pattern with some videos being 1.1, some in this shape, and Adil was very helpful with redesigning and making it work. And overall, just very happy. This website almost tripled our conversions, which is amazing. And Adil was very nice to work with. His expertise really shines through. He's not afraid to let you know that you're wrong. There were many times when we said we want to have this, and Adil could step in as the expert and let us know that, well, you shouldn't have that there because of X, Y, and Z. And wasn't afraid to push back when he knew that something was the right move, which we highly appreciated. So overall, a 10 out of 10 experience. It's an amazing website. Everything works really, really well. He has been really supportive with helping us after the website was published with changes, and overall, very, very happy and would highly recommend.